Hello students, welcome to our channel Lakshmi Kavya Law Tutorials. Today we are going to discussing about first important question in law of evidence. Okay, so what is the first question? So prior to discussing about this video, just subscribe to our channel and like this video and share this video to your friends. So let us start today's video. What is our first question? Obviously, first unit covers with the introductory part of any type of the subject, any type of the law. Okay. So, as in the same manner, in this video also, we are discussing about what is evidence law and substantive and executive law meaning and whether evidence law is substantive law or executive law. In this question, we have to focus on two aspects. Okay, two aspects. First one, what is law of evidence and what are called as substantive law and executive laws. Okay, so first of all, what is law of evidence? Already we have to covered in our previous video very deeply about the concept of law of evidence, right? So if you are not watched that video, just you have to go and watch that video in a link in the description box. Okay, so just for your understanding purpose, I will give few words relating to law of evidence. So what is law of evidence? What is law of evidence? What is evidence? Law of evidence is a statute which covers the rules and regulations relating to evidence. Okay, what is meaning of evidence? Which prospective is proved or which fact is proved the relevancy of the case. Okay, relevancy of the case. So that is called as evidence. Clear? So what is the law of evidence? It is a statute which governs the rules and regulations relating to evidence. Okay, so this is the meaning, general meaning relating to law of evidence. Clear? So here we have to discuss about second aspect. What is that? Substantive law and executive law. Laws are two types: executive law and substantive law. First law, executive law. Executive law means it is also known as procedural law. Okay, it is also known as procedural law. So, the procedural law itself, it speaks that it provides a procedure which you have to be followed. Okay, which you have to be followed. That means this law is providing procedures relating to case investigations or case proceedings in the court as well as in the police stations. Okay, so such type of laws are called as procedural laws. How many procedural laws are there in our country? There are four procedural laws. First one, Indian Constitutional Law, CRPC, that means Criminal Procedure Code, and CPC, Civil Procedure Code, and Law of Evidence. So, a law of evidence. So, what is the meaning of substantive law? Substantive law means it provides all the rights for to a persons and as well as all the punishments, okay, laws, that means rules and regulations in these substantive laws. In the general terms, for your understanding purpose, the substance to law stick on to the subject matter, okay, one single subject matter. That means, for example, Hindu Marriage Act sticks to only marital issues, okay. Factories Act only limited to factory issues, okay. As well as Maternity Benefit Act relates to maternity benefit issues relating to the women. So, as in like way, all the remaining laws are called as substantive laws. Okay, so procedural laws provide the procedure, substantive laws provide the rules and regulations relating to a subject matter. Okay, does not go beyond that subject matter, only limited to some subject matter. Okay, clear? So, these are called as substantive laws. So, here, why this question is raised in the law of evidence? Because law of evidence is also one executive or procedural law. Clear? So, here we got some type of question. Which class you have to be specified the law of evidence? Obviously, it is a objective or procedural law. Clear, students? So the concept of evidence you have to be look out in our previous video, and the executive law, so substantive law is in this question. So I am giving the answer very clearly. It is only come for the short essay question, students. That's why I am giving the small essay relating to this question. Okay, so without any delay, you have to look at the screen and write down the notes relating to first question. So, students, this is the detailed notes relating to first question. So, I will telling you again. This question is only come for short essay question. Okay. So, we will meet in our next question relating to law of evidence. Thank you, one and all. This is